Hi, I'm Siddiquí Rose, and I'm going to be doing a demo and review on the OmniShaver. I've already wet my hair, and so you can use any of your gel, shaving gel. I'm going to be using just some simple shaving gel to show you. And as you can tell, my hair does have a little bit of hair growth. So I just apply it on like so. Make sure that your hair is nice and moist, because if you don't, then you'll meet with disastrous results. And with the shaver, I just start making long strokes, back and forth. Very easy. You don't have to clean it. I make sure I get all the parts. It's really a simple thing to do. If you want to go faster, you can, but this is just to show you how easy this is to shave your hair. It's very convenient, very easy. It doesn't hurt, it's not nicking your head. Clean up the back, and you can fill if you want. But you get a nice smooth shave. Across your head, and I take the water, wipe my head off, and there you have it, a nice smooth bald head in less than 5 minutes.